A very good afternoon to Dr. Chin. My name is Zhang, and right now I'm going to present my final project, which is my Grab and Go grocery application. First of all, welcome to Grab and Go Grocery, a simple desktop application that makes getting everyday food fast and reliable. So this application is designed in a dynamic way, where the page will fix to the screen size when the user chooses to maximize or minimize the screen page. We can see there's a label and logo of the application is presented in a popping and shining form. Besides, there is a trolley cart which is movable on the bottom part as well. Now, I'm on the sign page. When I enter my username and my password and press the sign in button, so the app brings me straight to the home screen so I can start shopping immediately. So right now, this is the home page. The top of the anchor pane is displaying the label and logo of the grocery store, following with the card button, profile, and the address map button. Below of that, with a scroll pane displaying the section of the grocery items, which includes the vegetable section, fruit section, beverage section, seafood, and meat section. On the middle and the bottom of the anchor pane also implemented with a scroll pane, which displaying the banner and the advertisement of the grocery store as well. So right now, let me open the vegetable page. There is a list of vegetable items displaying in the vegetable page. Grid pane is used to display the product items on the left and the product details such as the name, quantity, and price on the right. Each product tiles has an add to cart button where the user can choose to add the product into the cart. Besides, at the top there is a search bar as the user types their preference, such as when I type in cabbage, only the matching items remain visible, where makes it easy to find what user wants. There is also a background image displaying behind of every product page as well. So the same experience also appears for food, beverage, seafood, and the meat product page as well. So for the fruit page, also as usual, when I click in pineapple, so only pineapple will be remains visible. The rest will be hidden. So I also can choose to add the product into the cart, and including for the others such as beverages, also remains the same. For the seafood part, when I click in tuna fish, also only tuna fish will be remain visible. I also can click to add cart. And for the meat part, when I click on lamb steak, so only lamb steak will remains visible. So the same experience also appears on the fruit, beverage, seafood, and meat page. The functionalities and procedures works the same as the vegetable page, where user can search, compare, and add items without relearning anything, which keeps the flow quick. Now, when the user clicks on the cart page, everything user added is listed here with the item's name, price, and the quantity. User can choose to increase or decrease their quantities or remove an item quickly. So user can choose to increase the quantity or decrease, or they can choose to delete the items also. So the total quantity and the gram total price updates immediately. So user always know what they are about to pay. If user is ready to check out, they also can press on the payment button. So a clear receipt with the shop name, exact date, and the time will be generated. The product details with its name, quantity, and the price will be shown, and the total amount is displayed as well. So the card page and receipts also implemented with a scroll pane where they can scroll if the product listed is long, which makes it easy to review and print. So if let's say I choose quite a number of products, which end up my shopping cart is long, so I use the scroll pane to let it arrange more tidy. And when I click on the payment, yeah. So also including a scroll pane to display a long receipt. So the total amount will be updated as well. So over here we'll be displaying the total items and the total price. Now, when user choose to open the profile page, User details are displayed and user can choose to update their personal details such as first name, last name, username, password, date birth, and their email address as well. When user updated, for example, I change the name to Gordon and I click edit profile, the profile is updated and the details will be shown again so user can double check their details whether is it correct or not. So the personal details are saved in the application where when the user exit the page and re-enter it, the changes where they did just now is still saved. Next, when user choose to open the address map, user will be redirected. A Google Map is built right into the app and user will be redirected to the location of the grocery store. So the purpose of this address map is for the user to navigate the location to the grocery store. The page loads the location and keeps the address bar as user move around, which makes it simple to copy or share their current view. So besides, there is a grab and go grocery store button located on the top left, where when the user decided to return to the home page by just click on it, and user will be after they visit any of the page, when they click on this grab and go grocery button, they will be redirected back to the home page. So let's take a look on the menu bar. There is a root layout that contains file and help menu bar, which contains close and about submenu respectively. So the accelerator also is implemented in the submenu where when I press alternate button, the first letter of the file and help will be underlined. And when I press Ctrl C, when I press F, there is a close button, or when I press Ctrl A, for example, the about page will be prompt out, which displaying the information of the grocery store application such as the product name, version, and the author. Besides, there is a close button on the right bottom which allows user to close the about page. So that's all for my presentation on my application. Thank you.